Okay, sir. Please, may you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is David Adwaka, the CEO of
Okay, why are you here today?
I'm here today because I was invited by of a mission for New Year Festival. You know, in celebration of the New Year Festival and award giving.
So how do you feel today? Because we see that you are one of the recipients of our award today, and your speaker really appeared in the first annual almanac. How do you feel today?
Well, I give God all the glory. I feel happy and I feel honored also.
Okay. Now you are into business, and you can see what is happening in Lagos now. Everywhere is hot in the sense of issues between the Yorubas and the Igbos and all the rest of them. What is your advice to Igbos in Lagos?
Well, me, I don't have much advice to give. All I have to say is that we should all live in peace as one Nigeria. You know, there's no, war is expensive, but peace is, it's free. So I think we should all embrace peace and love one another.
So now, how do you assess today's event? How do you see today's event?
The event is like I was really marveled. With the way, with the people that turned out for the event, I was really marveled and I was really excited and happy as well. Because the way we came out to do, like if I'm having to do something, we always support each other. So I'm really happy and excited.
Thank you very much. Thank you.